Alright guys, so hubby just vacuumed this room. Now, there's some stains on this carpet. I don't know how we're gonna fix that. We may just rip these floors up, but hubby vacuumed in this room and it looks so much better. Hi hubby! And, oh, that is dusty. Look at that. That is a thick layer of dust on that right there. But there's a mini fridge there, a little chest there, and then he moved his musical instruments, his guitars on here, which one of these guitars is Jake's, right? Yeah, one of these guitars is Jake's. And so you guys can see this room hasn't changed except for the vacuuming and the moving of the guitars into here. We haven't really made a decision yet, but this might be hubby's room. This might be his office, but we're still trying to figure it out. So it all kind of depends on the internet and if it will reach down here. And then over here, same thing. We've got those holes in the wall that were here since we've moved in. It's really just so you can store things in that closet. Because see, it's under the steps, so it kind of gets smaller as it goes. You guys probably can't really see in there, it's all dark, but it just kind of goes lower and lower because it's under steps. So we might want to create little doors with hinges and latches. But yeah, hubby vacuumed all this, and he vacuumed all of this. So, and he's got his amps here in the hallway for the time being. I'm not sure where he's deciding to put those, but for now they're in the hallway. If you step through here, we're back in the main part, and this is what this looks like without the big professional light. So it's very dim in here. A lot of the fluorescents are out, and need to figure out some studio lighting things to do in here. I don't know, I really want to maybe just switch out all the fluorescents into like actual studio lights. But I guess we'll have to see what we can do with that. But yeah. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, it seems like, I guess these are storm windows.
Well, good to know, huh?
Are you,
I'm vlogging.
Are you filming my hiccups?
Yeah, they're adorable.
Anyways.
So here's my setup, guys. Look at all this. And I got this ready so I can watch Lynn's stream tonight while I paint this wall. But yeah, this is the setup. This is what's going down. It's raining outside. But oh, this is bad lighting. But I am about to go upstairs and help him find the basin I'm talking about. Does he not know what I'm talking about? Okay, I'll be back. Bye. This is so glamorous, guys. Look at these gloves. Got my painting gloves on. Got a brush. I got a roller that might not work because it's been in this plastic since we worked on the living room. Like, because I'm so prepared. I'm trying not to spend much money right now. But if I have to go buy a roller, I will. But we have plans. I'm just mixing my paint here in my cauldron. So we have plans this weekend. So I'm trying to get this done today. Well, not done. It's not going to be done. Let's be real. I'm trying to get this started today so I can have enough to vlog for you guys for next Wednesday. By the time you see this, obviously it will be Wednesday. So you know what I'm saying. But so I've got my paint bucket. I've got my pan thing that also probably kind of needs cleaned. I got like a ton of paper towels here, and I'm already itchy because it's like super gross down here. But we're gonna make it pretty. It's gonna take a while, but we're gonna make it pretty. And I'm about to send my brother, oh gosh, dust is going everywhere. I'm about to send my brother footage and or photos of me doing this because I know he'll be excited. Pretty sure I smell some really bad smells. I don't know, maybe it's just the paint, I don't know. But, so I think he's gonna be like, what, girl, you finally painting? Girl. And it's gonna be fun.
Certain things and figure out what I needed to do. So that was just like the cleanup process to set the positive foundation for a more stable creative flow. The other thing I discovered is that focusing on just one painting alone doesn't work for me. I'm not one of those artists that can just sit through a single painting.
So before I go, I just want to shout out my patrons. They're on the screen right now, and I just want to thank them so much for supporting me. They're always so super kind and sweet, and they help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for being patrons.